Sustainable growth. What is sustainable growth? Balancing financial goal vis-a-vis sustainable growth. Financial goals and sustainable growth in match. Sustainable growth can be helpful for planning healthy corporate growth. So some growth that can be helpful for planning. It's not actual done. Planning healthy corporate growth. Sir, this company is sustainably growing. So this company may be valued in this year this much amount. That's a way we can plan. The require manager to set sales growth goal consistent with the operating and financial policy of the firm. Often the conflict can arise in the growth objective are not consistent with the value of organization sustainability growth. Why the company said next year we will achieve this much growth, this much turnover. That's a way they will declare in the annual general meeting and they will make sure they achieve that. If they make sure they achieve the goal that they set in the annual general meeting, there is a proper growth that should be consistent with the sustainable growth. So this much percentage company turnover is growing, na company valuation growing, this much growth, the profit is growing, na this much is going, this much company valuation growing. That's a way. Sustainable growth is important to enterprise long-term development. It's not simple, not today. Next 20 years, company will go somewhere in the price. That is the development. Too fast or too slow growth will go against enterprise growth and development. Some company may grow suddenly, some company will take time. So adopt the suitable financial policy to make enterprise growth speed close to sustainable growth. So you select some of the suitable policy that will help you to achieve great things. So this is the sustainable growth policy.